Alright everyone, for our first unit you were asked to take pictures of the elements of art and the principles of design. Upload them into your Google Drive folder, then we downloaded them and made a contact sheet and turned in all the pictures that you took for that unit. The last assignment for the unit is to pick your favorite picture that you took for the unit and edit them. So I'm going to go up here to File and click on Open. And I have all my pictures that I want to edit in a final folder, so I'm going to edit my final line picture. I think I like that one the best. Now hopefully you watched the video on how to set up your Photoshop so you kind of are familiar with the crop tool, some of the auto contrast tools. You've simplified your workspace over here with just the navigator and the history. If you haven't, go back and watch the intro to basic editing. First thing I'm going to do is check my composition. So I want to make sure that I have some of those key elements of this photograph across some of those points on the rule of thirds grid. So that looks alright. So I'm going to crop it, and then I'm going to go up to Image and I'm going to use the auto contrast. Sometimes it makes a big difference, sometimes it doesn't, but I'm going to do that just in case. And then the last step for basic editing is bumping up the saturation by 5. If I look at the original, here's the original, and here's the edited. Not a huge difference on this one, but a little bit. And once you're done, you're going to go up to File and you're going to press Save As. And I'm going to ask that you save these in your J drive. You find Gale, find your hour, and at the top there should be an Elements and Principles to be displayed folder. If I double click on that, here's the file name that I'm going to change, and I'm going to title it My Name. It should be a JPEG, JPEG, and then you press Save. If this option pops up, you can say OK. And that is it. I can close it down, I can close this down. It might be good to also check in the J drive just to make sure that it is there. Gale, hour 1, there it is. Once I have a full folder of students' work, I'll print them off and put them in the hallway. Thanks for sharing.